Hey guys, PepperAmmy's here, and this week we're going to take a look at how to make sous vide pork chops. All we're going to need for this is some pork chops, some seasoning of your choice, and of course the sous vide set. First of all, we're going to want to get our water up to the desired temperature. On screen now and in the description will be a list of temperatures for cooking the pork chops. I normally go for around about 60 degrees C, but that's just personal choice. Whilst the water bath is coming up to temperature, we want to start by seasoning our pork chops with some salt and pepper on both sides. Optionally, I also use some fresh rosemary. And then all we need to do is bag and seal the chops. Before sealing, you can add oils or other liquid seasonings to the bag. I chose to use some garlic olive oil, but I have also tried this with chili oil and it was absolutely amazing. Highly recommend. Once the bath is up to temperature, all you need to do is place the bags in the water and cook for your desired time, anywhere from 1 to 4 hours. But take note, the longer you cook the pork chops, the more moisture you will cook out of the meat, but they will still become super tender. And I could actually cut mine with a spoon, which kind of amazed me. Cutting a pork chop with a spoon, wasn't really prepared for it, but it worked. Now, once your pork chops are cooked for your desired length of time at your desired temperature, all you need to do, pull the bags from the bath and let cool a little bit. Now, the problem with sous vide is all you can get is kind of just the cooked colour. You can't get a good sear on it. So what we're going to do is we're going to heat up a frying pan with just a little bit of butter in it and give them a good sear for about 30 seconds to a minute on both sides, just to add some colour and some little bit of extra texture. Now that is how you make absolutely amazingly tender sous vide pork chops. Now, you don't have to sear them in the pan afterwards. That is obviously just for a little bit of extra texture and a little bit of extra colour, because they do come out just kind of beige cooked pork colour. So you can completely skip the searing process if you do so wish. But I'm also very sorry I haven't been active recently. I've had a lot going on. I was sick for about 2 months just with a cough that wouldn't go away. And now I'm working most Fridays, which is obviously my video upload day, which isn't ideal, but hey, money's money. Money allows me to do these videos, so I'm also very grateful for that. But anyway, as of this week, there should now be videos once a week once again. I do have some more kombucha plans coming up. I've got some kombucha SCOBY plans coming up. This is not the last time you'll be seeing the sous vide. And I've got a couple of other things that I want to try now I've got a little bit of money, so I can experiment a little bit more. But anyway guys, thanks for watching, and I really hope to see you guys next week.